Hi, I'm Aditya. I'm the founder of IX Labs, and we are based in Charlotte, North Carolina, in the US. And we are addressing the much needed seamless client coverage for corporate banking. Now, the problem across the industry is an automated client coverage process in commercial and corporate banking. Now, it can be seen generally in two forms. One is a fully manual process using Excel spreadsheets, Word docs, printouts, so on and so forth. While the second case is partial automation, meaning automation in silos that don't communicate with each other. And this siloed communication only compounds the problem of inefficiency, resulting in a very high total cost of ownership. And the process is a fragmented mess in most banks because there are simply too many moving parts, as you can see in each of these pillars. Now, the bank's current technology ecosystem is a myriad mix of in-house proprietary systems coupled with third-party applications. Now, it results in one, very high costs, and two, non-standard data. Very high cost because it's a very resource-intensive process, and the technology debt has only been piling up over the years. And of course, as you would agree, regulatory fines have become an annual ritual for most banks. And non-standard data, because of the complex ecosystem, data is all over the place, right? And it results in garbage, meaningless data. And banks spend millions of dollars every single year to bring in advisory teams just to get a handle on this. Now, all of this, as you would agree, adds up to a lot, putting the bank at a cost disadvantage. Now, the urgency for change is real, especially given the threat from fintechs that have a low cost advantage. Also, banks have not been able to disruptively innovate from within to solve this because the process spans across a number of functions, roles, and geographies, making it that much more complex to solve. And don't get me wrong, the teams in the banks have a lot on their plate and they don't have the bandwidth to innovate. And the process in its current form is simply unsustainable. And we at IX Labs have disruptively innovated this technology ecosystem with our SaaS offering. A bank could just plug in the data and models into the platform and start using it while also keeping their current process intact. Yes, we made it that simple. And this is indeed, the much awaited corporate banking CRM that enables your business requirements, whether it's for a commercial loan approval or a multi-product limit approval across the banking and trading books. Now, this all-encompassing workflow provides a 360-degree view of the client and deal details, benefiting relationship managers, credit analysts, approvers, and many others in the value chain, and also solve the problem of the garbage data. A use case is a highly contextualized CRM for commercial, corporate, and wholesale banking. Now, the solution makes your process efficient while also eliminating millions of dollars of needless costs every single year, making it very compelling. The client one view and one workflow would directly help the coverage teams to better focus on the revenue growth and risk as a first line of defense. And two, credit and risk teams to focus on the risk. And three, the technology teams, as this solution would only help them eliminate the accumulated technology debt. Now, the same has also been harped upon by Moody's Analytics. The white paper can be seen on their website. Now, coming to our team has extensive experience in corporate banking, and we've leveraged it to design the solution for other corporate bankers. I'm a corporate banking professional, having worked in banks like Citi, HSBC, Standard Chartered, and most recently at Wells Fargo. And on our board of advisors, we have industry-recognized leaders like Kevin Odin, who was the global head of risk at Wells Fargo till recently, and currently on the board of directors at RMA. And Vijay Ganapathy is the CTO of an e-marketplace and a technology guru. Our technology team is in Bangalore, India. And we've received great feedback from client coverage leaders in corporate banking from large banks like Citi, HSBC, and also other regional banks. They all go on to say this platform needs to be a core platform given what it solves and the strengths it has. The same has been echoed by some management consulting leaders from firms like Accenture. And on that note,